Takeoff.
Alrighty. Sweet. Come on, let's get the exposure down. Nice. Oh man, I've been wanting to do this for years now. Okay. Tilt down a little bit. Okay, we need to get into the core of the storm because if there is a streamwise vorticity current, I want to get in that thing. Wow! I cannot believe I am getting this footage. Okay, am I getting SMSs back? Don't think so. That app better not have crashed. Okay, I might need to get out and take a look at that. SMS bomber. It says it's sending them, but I don't think it's getting a signal back. Let's get back in. Oh my goodness, look at that thing. Okay, I just need to ease up on the throttle a little bit. Let's get a little bit more altitude. Oh, don't you dare rope out as I fly over to this thing. Ooh, that is beautiful! Nope, getting propellers in the shot a little bit. Okay, tilted up, not throttling too much. And, ooh, baby, that is the most photogenic tornado I have ever seen. Okay, come on, image signal. Hang in there. Keep going. How far am I away? About a mile. Okay, I need to ease up on the throttle. Look at that thing! The propellers are getting in the shot. I do not think I am getting my text messages back from the phone, even though I was able to test it. Wow. Okay, let's just go up. What are you trying to do, Trump? Let's get a little higher, because this is a stinking high. I need to, move camera a little bit more to the right. Let's gain a little more altitude. Should have set up. So bright. Okay, sweet. Oh, I can hear it. Look at that thing. I didn't realize that the coolest part of it would be going up. What is the drone doing? Is this an ADI mode? Yeah, it's an ADI mode. I think it's trying to fight the wind. No. I need to look at the map, see what I'm doing. Oh, so I'm going that direction. I don't know what the drone's trying to do. It's like it's trying to fight the wind, but then the propellers would be going the opposite direction. What in the world? Dang it! Woohoo! I'm glad it's passing me. It's so dusty. Do I want to go into it? It's roping out so beautifully. It's like gusting out on me. Okay. That thing is moving fast. Is it roping out? It still hasn't quite roped out yet. Where is the rope? Right up there. So the drone's definitely being blown around. Oh, sick! Yeah, that was amazing! Man, I would have flown into it if I had a little bit more, if I had a little bit more cell reception, but I'm not getting any responses back.